The Canadian government has issued a lockdown. Please stay in your homes. Don't go outside. The moon is deadly. The Canadian Prime Minister has already died due to the moon to the catastrophe. Do not attempt to make contact. Make contact right now. Go outside.